All of us at MTDCNC have been seeing all of the amazing stories throughout the past few weeks of manufacturing within the United Kingdom. We are all living in these unfamiliar times, but we are seeing the creativity, talent and hard work of all of our engineers. And yes, they may not be on the front line, but every measurement, every tool, every idea and every product produced by them is helping us fight against this. So we wanted to thank you and give you a shout out to say what you're doing means so much to all of us. So FT Gearing Systems have been running 24/7, putting in the extra shifts and hours. Velotech Limited have been making 14,000 parts for the ventilators. Stratos made 6,000 plastic parts in just 2 days, down to 2 microns, ensuring supreme accuracy. Renosure have been mass producing critical components. Technoset and Technoturn have been working exceptionally hard and putting in all of the hours. Star are running several machines to help make parts at their own HQ in Derby. ETG and the University of Wolverhampton racing team are making 3D printed parts. PK Engineering have been working with Rolls-Royce, completing 4,000 parts on their Citizen sliding head machine. Pneumatic International are working towards producing 10,000, yes, 10,000 face shields per day. Ben Smith at Cam Machine Components are making ventilator parts, and the staff are working 12.5-hour shifts 24/7. Reginson Engineering dispatched 30,000 components last week alone. That's just incredible. Mark at SRD Engineering said it's been the most challenging couple of weeks of his career. He is so proud of what they are achieving, rightly so, and they're using all 12 of his machines to work on making parts. Microlock are running 24/7 shifts. Quick Grind, ITC and Goering have all made tools in a matter of hours to help companies manufacture parts. Cogstill and SMW are supplying tools to help aid the manufacturing of ventilator parts. Wilson Manufacturing were quick off the mark, having had the go-ahead in the morning. They were making parts all tooled up by the evening. Interco, alongside supplying the steel, they are offering to help manufacture at their own HQ. Darren at High Spec is now automating the manufacture of parts for the ventilators. Progimax, Unicut and many other companies are working terrifically hard, and you're using your years of experience for times like these. We just wanted to say
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.